Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the top 4 scan tools for Lexus and Toyota vehicles in 2022 and 2023 and beyond that, in fact. Now I'm going to put links to all of these kits in the description below this video. Please make sure you use those links because there are fakes, there are clones out there on the market. The links I'm putting in the description below will take you to these genuine and official products. Fakes and clones can damage your vehicle, so you need to stay away from those where possible. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you which of these tools I would personally buy if it was my budget in my specific vehicle. And hopefully by the end of the video, you'll have a better idea of what these tools will do and which one is going to be best for you, your needs and your specific circumstances and budget. So we're starting with the cheapest and then we're going to work our way to the most expensive. This is the TYT version 1.0 tool. And this, for being the cheapest tool, it does cover a lot of systems and it does a lot. So what this will do is will allow you to diagnose and reset the main systems of the vehicle, like engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, and also other systems as well, depending on what is installed to the vehicle. So that can be things like power steering, air suspension, central locking, HVAC systems, or whatever other systems are installed to the vehicle. So the version 1.0 tool will also allow you to do service resets as well. So if you have an oil service or maintenance or interval message that you need to clear on your dashboard, this will allow you to reset that as well. And you will get free lifetime updates with this tool. To power this tool on, there's a cable in the box which runs from the top of the diagnostic tool into the diagnostic port of the vehicle. Very simple to do, very simple to hook up, and it's very simple to use. So that's the version 1.0 tool. We then move on to the what is known as the JP version 2.0 tool. JP standing for Japanese vehicles. So it actually covers more than Lexus and Toyota. It covers all Japanese manufacturers actually, like Honda, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Suzuki as well. But this will do additional functions. So this does everything that this will do, but this will do additional functions as well. So those additional functions can include DPF regeneration, electronic parking brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor calibration, new battery registration, injector coding, ABS brake bleeding as well. It's important for me to say though, it doesn't do those specific functions on all vehicles. It does it on the majority, but if you want to double check to make sure a specific function is suitable for your vehicle, I'll pop an email address in the description below. Use that email address, put your vehicle details in and also your VIN number as well, and they'll get back to you with an answer as to whether this tool is going to be suitable for those specific needs. You can do that for all of these tools, in fact. This also gives you free lifetime updates. So far, this will only cover Lexus and Toyota. This will cover Lexus, Toyota and other Japanese models. This is the iCarSoft CR Pro. This is more expensive than both of these tools. It has the same level of functionality as the JP version 2.0. However, it covers all manufacturers from all different regions. So it'll cover your European manufacturers like BMW, Mercedes, VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, Porsche, Volvo, Ford. It does the American market as well, like Chrysler, Chevrolet, Jeep, GMC, Hummer, to name a few. It does all manufacturers all over the world, and you also get free lifetime updates with this tool as well. So if you wanted a tool which has the same level of functionality as this tool, but you wanted it for all vehicles, then this is the tool to go for. This has been a great seller over the past couple of years, and I can see why, because you get a lot of functionality, a lot of manufacturer coverage for the amount of money you pay for the tool. Okay, so that's a CR Pro. That's a really good package. Free updates as well. This is the CR Max. This is a tablet-based kit, and as you can see, this has an integrated battery, so it's a standalone system. You do still need to run a cable from the tool to the vehicle though, which comes in the box, to gain a connection. But you can be diagnosing vehicles through the day, playing games, going on the internet of a night time. This is a tool I would highly recommend if you're an enthusiast or you've got a few cars to look after. Maybe you're a small garage or a small workshop that you just don't know what you're going to be getting in on a day-to-day basis, and you want the best tool that you can afford. Well, the CR Max is such a good tool because it does cover a lot of systems, a lot of functions over and above what these tools will do. It will do everything that these tools will do, but this will also do things like actuation tests, suspension calibration, transmission adaptions, air conditioning resets, engine adaptions, and a few other adaptions as well. So it's all in the service menu, as you can see right here. Headlight adjustments, doors, windows, seat, fuel pumps adjustments, throttle adjustments, to name a few. So that's the iCarSoft CR Max. But again, if you're looking for a specific function on a specific vehicle, then use the email in the description below. Now, which of these tools would I personally go for? It all really depends, because my circumstance, I can't guess what your circumstances are. But let's say, for example, you just wanted to diagnose a basic engine light, or check an ABS or an airbag light, and then you weren't going to use the tool again. Then you don't need to look past this tool here. If you wanted a tool which has a lot of functionality, and you want to maybe cover a few different vehicles, then I'd certainly look at the CR Pro. But if money's not really an object and you want the best tool you possibly can, then definitely go for the CR Max. But that being said, the JP version 2.0 tool is also a fantastic tool. Hopefully though, with the information I've given you about these tools, you can make a good decision on which of these tools is best for yourself. Cheapest through to the most expensive. So, as I say, it's impossible for me to predict your particular circumstance and what you want to get out of a tool, because they're all good in their own right. So it just really depends on your specific needs and your specific budgets as well, I guess. Remember guys, all of these tools, I will put the links in the description. Please make sure you use those links, because they are the genuine products. Fakes and clones do exist. They can damage your vehicle. These won't damage your vehicle because they are official and genuine tools. I hope this has helped you guys. Yeah, if you need any more help, use the email address in the description below. And of course, thanks for watching.